All right, Coach Kim here, seasoned personal trainer. I am excited that you get to dust off your mini bands and use them with me for this full body mini band workout. I'm going to give you 5 exercises. This is targeted for beginners, but anybody can do it. And just remember to always check with the doctor before starting any exercise program. Well, let's get to work. All right, Coach Kim, I would like you to go ahead and get out your little pack. You probably got them for Christmas a couple years ago and they're sitting in the back of your closet, or maybe they're sitting right by your side. But either way, you have light, medium, heavy, all kinds of different sizes in here. I would like you to start with light if you've never done this before, medium if you have. And when I say done this before, use the mini bands, okay? Grab a chair, nice and sturdy. I'd like you to put the mini band on above the knee. We're gonna do 5 exercises targeting the lower body, and this is really, a lot of these are very knee and hip friendly, a lot of physical therapy type exercises. So I'm going to put that above my knee and I'm going to keep it there. And make sure, please sit down to put this on. Don't stand up. I don't need anybody falling. You got a nice yoga mat or a beach towel, and we're going to be getting to work. So these 5 exercises, the first are going to be standing, the first 3, and then the last 2 are going to be on the floor, and we're going to end up doing 2 rounds of these. Now after the first round, if you feel like this is too intense, just stop at 1 round, and then we'll work up to 2 rounds, and as you get more advanced and more comfortable, move up to 3 rounds, okay? And what's a round? A round will be considered exercise 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You finish that, that's 1 round. So I'm gonna use the chair just in case you need some work on that squat, but keep the band apart. I don't want the knees buckling in. Bands apart, feet are shoulder width, toes facing forward, my head's up, and I'm gonna perform what's called a banded squat. So let's go ahead, we've got 40 seconds of work. Ready? Set, go. You don't have to count, you don't have to think. I just want your butt to tap on that chair, tap, tap, and then come all the way back up. Those that are a little more advanced, you don't have to use the chair. You're just gonna go down and up. Make sure those knees are not buckling in, okay? And if the mini band is not tight enough, feel free on the second round, you could switch and get a tighter band. You'll know after this first round, and I'd rather you be conservative the first time around, and then you can always build up from there, okay? So beginners, don't get too woo, because you might be too sore, and you just need to feel this out, okay? So keep going. Banded squats. Down and up, rest. Good. So let me tuck my little mic in here for a sec here. Okay, the next one. You have front and rear walks. So I'd like you to stand up. We're going to take 3 steps forward, 3 steps back. Let me show you first. So you're going to go 1, 2, 3, and then 3 steps back. 1, 2, 3. So I want you to keep that band nice and tight. Some people call these monster walks, but let's get to work. Ready and go. 1, 2, 3. Excellent for the hips. Oh, there we go. Whoops, 3. That's 1, 2, 3. Yeah, make sure you got a clear runway there, okay? 2, 3, and we're doing 40 seconds of work. Good. They do these a lot in physical therapy for people with knee and hip issues. 3, halfway. We're only doing 40 seconds. You could do anything for 40 seconds, right? Of course, Coach Kim, I've got this. Yes. And Elaine LaLanne, Jack LaLanne's wife, oh, she says, and she's 97 years old now, Jack LaLanne was the godfather of fitness. If you don't move, you become immovable. Awesome. Yeah. Get ready. Third exercise, a standing outer leg lift. Ready, set, go. Just mirror me right here. You're going out, back, same leg, same leg. The standing knee is soft. My body is upright. Now, if you need to hold on to a wall, that's fine. All the way up, because I want you to keep that body upright. You're going to feel this in the hippie area. Very, like I said, these are all 5 of these exercises are very knee friendly. Out and back. And sometimes our warranty starts to run out as we age. And you know what? That's okay. Unless you bought that extended plan, exercise really does help with that. Motion is lotion. Remember that. Keep going. We're going to do 40 seconds each side. Let's get one more and switch. Ready? Go. Out and back. Do you find that one side's stronger or weaker than the other? And that's okay. We're going to work both sides equally. Keep going. And again, I don't want you leaning. This is what I mean by that. I don't want leaning that way. Okay? Out, back, out, back. So the first 3 exercises standing, the last 2 on the ground. Stay with me here. Good. 15 seconds. If you don't move, you become immovable. So much truth to that. Up, up, up. Sitting is the new smoking. So get up and move that body. You got one more and rest. Now the next 2 on the ground, I'd like you to find a comfy spot. We're going to do what's called a clamshell. Okay, they do this in hip therapy, but I want you to stack the feet on top of each other, and it looks just like it sounds, a clamshell. Keep the foot together, and you're going to lift up the top leg only and bring it down. We're going to do 40 seconds each side. Ready, set, and go. Your head, you can let it relax like this. You can hold it up, whatever you're comfortable with there, okay, on the head. Lift and lower. So the bottom leg is on the ground. I'm lifting up the top leg. Whoo-hoo, I know you're feeling this right now, right here. That glute and hip, oh, this is good stuff. There you go. I'd like you to do this. You can do this every day, this workout, for sure. Okay, 1, 2, even 3 rounds. Start off definitely with just 1 round, or follow this whole video. See how you feel, okay? That's gonna be your best indicator. 10 seconds. But I know in the comments you're gonna let me know how your body feels after a couple weeks of doing this. And switch sides, okay? I'm gonna break dance to the other side. Let's get ready. I'm kind of speaking my age with break dancing, aren't I? Ready? And go. Lift and lower. So we're doing the clamshells on each side. Very nice. It's amazing what these little mini bands. What's great about them is they're portable. You can travel with them. Put them in your suitcase. But more than that, just don't put them in your suitcase. You have to use them, okay? All the way up and drop. Oh yeah, I know how many people get fitness equipment, all excited, you use them for a week or 2, and then they get put back in the closet. So you're gonna be that person that uses it, okay? All the way up, and I'm here to motivate you. You hang with Coach Kim, I got you covered. You got 10 seconds. Up and drop, up. You got 1 more. Perfect, last one on your back. Don't get too excited, I know you're on your back. Woohoo! You're gonna keep that band tight, legs are bent, my head's relaxed. My feet are about hip width. I'm gonna push with my heels of my feet. I'm gonna lift my booty up in the air into what's called a glute bridge. Ready? And go. Lift up, and then come down slow. So here's my tempo for you guys. I want you to lift up for 1 second, squeeze your cheeks with equal attention for 1 second, down for 3 seconds. Ready? And let's make it happen. So the tempo, 3-1-1 tempo, and come down for 3 seconds. So there's 3 seconds down, 1 second up, 1 second hold, and 3 seconds down. Is the band, are you keeping that band tight? Okay, no loosey-goosey. Having the band on is working the muscles on the outside of the leg as well. Lift, very nice, you're halfway. There's a lot of good stuff going on here. You're gonna work your glutes, that's your butt, your hamstrings, and your lower back. Again, a lot of these are very physical therapy type movements. All the way up, whoo, all the way up, up, up. There you go, and if you think about it, that's what fitness training is, and moving your body is physical therapy. Very nice. All right, we're getting ready to stand back up again. So come up in the way that works for you. Take your time so you're not dizzy. We're getting ready to start with the first exercise, okay? And I'm using the chair. You really don't have to. It's an option for you. So a lot of beginners, it kind of teaches you to get that butt back on the squat. Ready? Here we go. Squats, down and up. We're starting our second round, okay? Right here. Get that butt back. Is the band tight? Yep. Keep the knees away from each other. I don't want them buckling in. And are your feet shoulder width, and just a tap, and then come back up. Perfect. Use your hands for counterbalance. Your head is forward. What I don't want you to do is this, unless you want to wake up with a bad back, okay? And who wants to wake up with a bad back? I know we don't like to wake up with a bad back. Down and all the way up. We're going to keep you strong and healthy. You're going to be doing this kind of stuff with me until you're 110 years old. You just hang out with me. I got you covered. Way up. You got 1 more. And perfect. Good. Remember those front and rear walks, or the monster walks? We're getting ready to go 3 steps forward, 3 steps back. Do a little line dance. Ready? And go. 1, 2, 3. Very nice. Excellent. Whoops. Oh yeah, I gotta move that chair. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Here we go. Love it. And speaking of dancing, any of you dance? That's good stuff right there. That's exercise. Okay, any kind of moving is exercise. It doesn't have to be traditional, gotta go for a bike ride exercise. You can mow that yard, that's exercise. Oh yeah. 1, 2, 3. I remember doing that with a baby on my back with a non-self-propelled mower. That was a workout. 1, 2, and 3. Perfect. Now let's get ready for those outer leg lifts, starting with 1 leg. Ready? And go. Out. Stay with the same leg. Here we go. 40 seconds on. That's it. And again, if you need to hold on to the wall, or you got something stable next to you, a dresser, hold on to that if you need to. The goal though is to work up to not to be able to hold on, okay? Very nice. And your body responds so quickly to exercise. Not just physically, but mentally too. You'll always feel better after an exercise session. In 35 years, I've never heard someone say, I wish I didn't work out today. Keep going, you got 10 seconds. Every cell in your body says, thank you. Out, back, out, and switch sides. Ready? And go. Let's go. Exercise is a miracle drug in my opinion. Out and back. Good. More doctors are prescribing exercise because it's like an antidepressant. Good stuff up here. Love it. And I like to think about what's my why. I want to age well. I exercise because of mental, oh my gosh, it does. I feel that endorphin, that serotonin. You know, I want to stay out of memory cares when I'm old. I want to feel good. You want to look good. These are my whys. What are your whys? Think about your why. Why did you put the video on right now? Why are you watching me and why are you doing this? We all have a why, and keep that in your mind. Good, that'll keep you motivated. One more and then we're gonna get on the ground for those clamshells. Let's go for our second round. Okay, take your time getting down. Stack those feet, put your arm out, get ready, set and go. Lift and lower, beautiful. 40 seconds. So keep the feet stacked, lift up. Now ask yourself, how does that mini band feel, the tension? Is it just right? Do you feel like you can go just a tad bit heavier next time, or was it just right? Okay, and the goal is not to see how heavy you can go on this band, but I want you to get that full range of motion. See how I'm not just able to go here, I'm lifting it all the way up. You've got 15 seconds. Good. You're gonna get stronger and stronger in every way and every day. You're getting better and better. Good. That was Emile Coué in the late 1800s said to say that. And switch sides. He says to say every day, every way, I'm getting better and better. Just chant that 25 times a day for a week and see how you feel. Ready? And go. Lift, lower. That's it. And every day and every way, you're getting stronger and stronger. All the way up. Feet are stacked. Lift. Are you feeling it? Right here. Oh, I know I am. Lift and lower. Good. We only have one more after this. You're halfway, and that'll be 2 rounds when we're completely done. So those of you that are a little above a beginner, if you want to shoot for 3 rounds, I suggest go for it. All the way up. 3 rounds would be even better. That's the goal. Keep going. Let's get one more. Lift it up. Perfect. On your back, please. Take your time. Feet are going to be hip width. Keep the band tight. Heads relaxed. Glute bridges. Push with the heel. Remember the tempo. 3, 1, 1. Ready? Here we go. Lifting up for 1. Squeeze for 1. Down for 3. Beautiful. Now people start thinking about other things and their legs come in like this. I want you to keep it tight, okay? I'm giving you those little reminders. I've been in fitness a long time and I see what happens. People start thinking about other things all the way up. I want you to think about you and how amazing you are all the way up. Whoo! And how I am proud of you for that consistency. That's it. Consistent with moving that body, consistent with trying to eat healthy, and consistent with good thoughts all the way up. Let's get one more and all the way up. Good. And a nice ending to this, in my opinion, is to hug both knees to chest. Connect your fingers, lift your head up, just hold right here. And then what I'd like you to do is, since you're on the ground, is peel this off. And I am going to end with a nice little stretch. I'd like you to put one foot on top of the other. Let your head relax. Lift up this leg, this right here, and hold that stretch. There you go. Hold it right there. Now you're going to feel that area we just moved, and hold this for 5 more seconds. That's 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and then switch sides. Other foot on top. Oh, more people moan with the stretches than they do the exercises. And hold it right here, especially the men in the house there. I know you're feeling it. You've got this. The stretching is just as important, and hold it. That's 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And the very last stretch I'd like to end you with is put your feet nice and wide, and then you're going to drop your legs to the side gently. Keep your shoulder blades on the ground, and then go again to the other side. Oh, doesn't that feel amazing on the lower back? Lots of stuff going on. We got to keep the body moving. Movement is medicine. Motion is lotion. Let's get one more. Whew. Oh, I am so proud of you. So keep up this good work, continue following these videos, and always, let me know what you think. And if you don't move, you become immovable. So keep moving.